How does Ethiopian Airlines make money if they can give you a 4-star hotel for free during a layover?
Doors opening.
I left my lovely city of Vadodara at night going to Mumbai to catch my flight to Kigali, but I had to pass through Ethiopia because I'm using Ethiopian Airlines. Reaching Ethiopia, if you have a layover of more than 4 hours, I don't know, maybe 4, 6 or 8 hours, I'm not sure, you get a free hotel to rest. But for me, this wasn't the first one in which I have been. I've been in so many other hotels before because of using many other flights of Ethiopian Airlines, but this one was the best so far. It's called Skylight Hotel and it's owned by Ethiopian Airlines, and none of those other hotels is close to this one. It's beautiful inside, beautiful washroom, a free full buffet, free transport from and to the airport.
Is the legendary injera.
Then how do they make money if they can give you this much for free? And for me, calculating the price of all this is literally the price of another flight. Ethiopian Airlines, how is this possible? Anyways, this is one of the reasons why I became so much more interested in Ethiopia, and of course I have been trying a lot of stuff and trying to know more about Ethiopia because of this. As for example, I love now so much the food of Ethiopia, especially the injera bread, and also the woman of Ethiopia looks incredibly beautiful. Every time I'm in Ethiopia, in Addis Ababa, I get the feeling of being in a much bigger and better Rwanda. I don't know why, but I just enjoy it.
I don't know if I'm the one who says it's wrong, but every time I come to Addis Ababa, it gives me a vibe of Kigali, but in a much bigger scale. I mean, look at this. It literally looks like Kigali, but which is maybe bigger, or like the future. If Kigali was in the future, if you could go in the future of Kigali, much more, many more bigger buildings. I guess this is how Kigali will be like also.
Anyways, if you know the reason why Ethiopia does this or how they make back this money, thank you for telling me it in the comments. Thanks so much for being here. Catch you next time.